Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to online classes from Darul Arqam School. How are you all? I hope all of you will be fine. Today our lecture number 2. Subject English. Topic the toffee. Student, we learn about the toffee, reading and writing. Now open your textbook English. Page number 15. Read the story. The toffee. Look at the toffee. Look at the toffee. You can see on the board. Look at the toffee. Look at the toffee. Look. The toffee is in the bottle. The toffee is in the bottle. Look at the bottle. You can see on the board. Look at the bottle. Look at the toffee. Look at the toffee. The toffee is in the bottle. There are a lots of toffee in the bottle. An ant see the toffee. An ant see the toffee. He climbs into the bottle. There are a lots of ants climbs on the bottle. Lots of ants sees the toffee. They climbed into the bottle. They are climbed into the bottle. Anita comes. She looks into the bottle. Anita comes. She looks into the bottle. It is empty. She says. She says it is empty. Where is my toffee? Anita says, where is my toffee? Students, you know where is my toffee? Because ant have eaten the toffee. Okay. Now we are going to start our workbook. Workbook, page number 8. Page number 6, open all of you, the toffee. My word wall. My word wall. Prepare your own word wall of the difficult words of the open. And learn them. Prepare your own words wall of the difficult words of the poem and learn them. Okay, now we write the difficult words on the board. Word wall. Write here difficult words, all of you. Climbs, ant, lots, look, bottle, so मेरी book empty, Anita, student, these are difficult words from the word wall. Okay, number 1 climbs, number 2 ant, number 3 lords, number 4 look, number 5 bottle, number 6 empty, number 7 Anita. Okay, now write the words. Think. Write words that end with double E. Write the words. Here we write 2 words that end with double E. All of you ready, students? Now tell me word that end with double E. Write 3. Write 3 and tree. 3 and tree. Okay, clear? Write a sentences using one of the words that end with double E. Sentence that words end with double E make sentence from one word. Like tree, we make sentence with tree. This is a mango tree. Student, learn. This is a mango tree. Okay, now start page number 7. The toffee. Circle the pictures on each line that has the same meaning as the word. Look. Which objects show the look? This one? No. This I show the look because we see with our eyes. Bottle. This is bottle. Circle the bottle. Aunt. This is aunt. Now circle the aunt. Clients. Circle the clients. Lots of aunt. There are lots of aunt. Student, we have done difficult words, word wall, and that words end with double E, and objects that match with words. Okay, now we are going to start our jumble words. Get ready all of you for jumble words. Students, you know about what are jumble words. Right here, jumble words. Jumble words. Like here, cool. What? This is jumble word. Write in correct words. Look. Okay, now boatlet. What is boatlet? Write in correct words, bottle. Okay, student. Now word is 10. 10 is jumble word. Write in correct word, aunt. Jumble word is tool. Write in correct word, loads. Then because. What is because? Because is jumble words. Write in correct words, comes. Then jumble words is write in correct word, sees. Okay, student, we have done the jumble words in correct words. Cool, look, bottle, 10, aunt, tools, loads, because, comes is correct words, is sees is correct words. Student, I hope all of you learn about the jumble words. Now start the make sentence. Okay? Write on your notebook, make sentences. First verse, we have two words, bottle and bottle. Right here, bottle. And then aunt. Student, tell me sentence of bottle. What is sentence of bottle? All of you have bottle? Yes. Make a sentence of bottle like I have a bottle. Aunt. Student, make a sentence of aunt. I saw an aunt. I hope all of you done on your workbook. Good. Now we are going to start the answer question about the toffee. Okay. You have done. Now open your workbook, page number 9, and write the answer question on your workbook. Answer question. Okay class. Question number 1. Write question number 1. Where is the toffee? Student, tell me where is the toffee? You have learned about the story of toffee. Where is the toffee? Answer number 1. Right answer here. The toffee is in the bottle. The toffee is in the bottle. You can see here the model of bottle. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. What did the aunt do? Student, please tell me what did the aunt do? You know what did the aunt do? Yes, good. Give me answer all of you. Aunt climbed into the bottle. Good all of you. Very good. Okay, now write the question number 3. Question number 3. Why is the bottle empty? Why is the bottle empty? Student, you know why is the bottle empty? Please tell me. Because aunt have eaten the toffee. Because aunt have eaten the toffee. Question number 3 we have done. Now we are going to write question number 4. Question number 4. All of you write question number 4. Can you tell why do aunt eat toffee? Write all of you answer. because ants like sugary food. Okay, done all of you. Now question number 5. How do ants move? Tick the correct picture. How do ants move? Ant moves in a queue. Ants move in a queue. This is a correct picture. Please tick on this picture. Now question number 6. Do you make a queue when you go to canteen to buy things or snacks? Student, please tell me. Do you make a queue? Yes. We make a queue to go to canteen to buy things or snacks. Okay, student, done all of you? Good. Now we are going to start an activity for you. Get ready all of you? Student, get ready all of you? Yes? Good. Can you label an ant? Student, can you label an ant? Yes, all of you ready for label the parts of ant? Okay. Now tell me part of ant. First of all, we make an ant. Okay. This part is called antenna. Clear? This part is thorax. Okay. This part is called abdomen, and these are legs of ant. Student, how many legs ant have? Ant have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ant have 6 legs. Please tell me which part of the ant is called. You know about it? All of you have this part? Yes, you have this part. This part is called eyes. Okay. Now label the part of ant. First of all, this part is called antenna. Right here, antenna. And this one is thorax. Right here, thorax. And this one is abdomen. Right here, abdomen. Okay. And you know about this part? Legs. And this one, eyes. All of you have eyes. Student, I hope all of you learn about this topic. The topic: parts of the ants, answer questions, jumble words, make sentences. Okay. All of you learn this lesson and write on your workbook. Jazakallah, fi amanillah, Khuda Hafiz.